fishing. Lost and found river. What the hell, Sam Hill, going on around here? Let's go get in some water and get your rod and throw it out in the water. Crack your beer, time to drink. You see that moon in that pretty water thing? Let's get some big fish. Hell, that boat ain't got no person on it. That's one of them damn ghost boats. Look at that ghost boat. There ain't a goddamn fisherman on that thing. It's just a floating. That's all just a float, boy. It's a float, boy. Woo! Fish gets me. Water and fish, they get me all excited and my lungs all swollen and stuff. I gotta get me some water. Woo! I gotta get me some fishing. Gosh darn, I'm having fish withdrawal. Somebody open up me some tuna fish. Or I need a can of whoopity-doo.